Hey guys, so today you're going to do some practice multiplication using the box method or the array model. And I've already got the boxes listed out for you, and they're going to be on every single slide that you have. And I'm going to show you how to do how to fill this out on the Google Slides using the example problem right here. So as you can see, you have your multiplication problem. You have your box already listed out or laid out for you. And then you're going to have another box that's over here. And this is where you're going to put your answer. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So first things first, I want to take 23 and 56, and I want to basically expand these two numbers out. So I want to get the value of the 2 and the value of the 3, and I'm going to put those in the yellow boxes at the top. Then I'm going to get the value of the 5 and the value of the 6, and I'm going to place those in the green boxes to the side. You will do the same thing with each of your practice problems that you have, and you will have 4 practice problems after this. So, first things first, I'm going to take 23 and expand it out. My 2 is worth 20 because it's in the tens place. So I'm going to hover over my box and I'm going to do a double click, 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 and it's going to bring up my cursor in here. So it's going to be a flashing line. And I'm going to put the number 20 because I know that 2, my digit 2, is actually worth 20. So I've put that in there. Now, looking at 23, I'm going to look at the 3. Since I know it's in the ones place, the value of the 3 is 3. So I've double clicked. I have my blinking cursor in here, and then I'm going to put the number 3. Now I've expanded out 23 into 20 and 3. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 56. So I'm going to go over here to the green box at the top, double click, click, click. My cursor shows up. My 5 is in the tens place, so that means that the value of the 5 is 50. So I'm going to put 50 in my box. And then I'm going to do the same thing with 6. So I'm going to double click, click, click. My blinking cursor there. I have 6, which is in the ones place. So my value of 6 is 6. Now, all I'm going to do now is multiply each one of these numbers and place them into the boxes on the inside here. So if I look at 50 and 20, I'm going to start with these two. I'm just going to look at that first digit of each one. So I'm going to look at 5 and 2. And when I multiply 5 and 2, that gives me 10. So I'm going to double click in here, brings up my cursor. I'm going to put 10. And then I have 1, 2 zeros left. So I'm going to put 2 more zeros. 1, 2. So 50 times 20 is 1,000. Now I'm going to go over here to the next box. Click, click. I have 50 times 3. Well, I know that 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to put 15. And then I'm going to add my 0 to the end. So 50 times 3 is 150. I'm going to do the same thing with the other boxes below. Double click. 20 times 6. So 2 times 6 gives me 12. Add my 0. And my last one is 6 times 3, which is 18. Now, to find my answer, I'm going to add all of the numbers on the inside of my array model or inside of my box here over in this square to the right. So I'm going to double click, 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 and I'm going to add all of these numbers up. So all I'm going to do is put 1,000 plus 150. So I've got these two, 1,000 plus 150, plus the next one is 120, plus my last one, which is 18. And then I'm going to put a little equal sign. I'm going to hit enter 2 times, and then I'm going to solve. So on a piece of paper, you can line these up by place value and find your answer. So my answer is 1,288. So this is what I want you to do, okay? You will complete the array model or the array box method. So you will complete the box method here, and then write your equation in this box to the right with your answer right below it. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.